Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm outside. But it looks like it's drizzling. I don't know how to show you, but if you could tell with the naked eye, you can tell it's kind of drizzling. Let me see. Yeah, it's drizzling. I can tell the camera is wet. Besides, look, it looks like it's gonna rain. That's because it already is. You can see it because the brick is all wet. The brick is all wet. That one's like completely wet. It's all. So yeah, today's not a good day to be outside. I did want to write this. Where is it? Where is it? Oh no, it's over there. I just edited it in. What? If you guys can't see it, I just put a finger pointing at it. Oh yeah. There's really nothing to do today. Just head back inside and we'll do something for today. Guys, I think I found something to do. Bottle flip. Hold on.
Nope.
Hi. Okay, that was just weird. Hi guys. I'm messing up big time.
Bruh. Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Oh, now I do it right after that. Oh, I did it. Oh, and not only that, it hit this. It hit this. It hit this and then it kept. Oh, look, it barely made it. It barely made it. Oh, guys, wow. Wow, I thought I wouldn't do it. Wow. I'll get back to you as soon as I find something else to do. Okay, guys. Next, I'm gonna use this for something. But first, I need to do something really fast. You guys see this here? You guys see that? I'm gonna switch it up in 3, 2, 1. We're gonna be getting a new one. Cause let's get through all of this stuff. You can see it. There's a glass jar, and then there's a thing. Cause there's a bunch of water. There's a bunch of water leaking out, so we're gonna get a new one. That's where the water's coming from, that hole, and then it's just leaking down. And then, you guys see that hole on top? Right there? That's where the water's coming from, so we're gonna be getting a new one. It has some bottom doors. I think it's a double door, so since you open it, like, wow. And then, like, it has a bottom, but, well, yeah, that's probably gonna be the title name. We got a new refrigerator. Just to prove it, look. It looks like that. It looks like that. It's white, and then it's like this. It's like that. So guys, the bottle's still there. You can barely see it. The bottle's still there. To prove it, it's in the same spots. So guys, I said we're gonna get a new refrigerator. It's still here. It's still here. So I decided to upload this one, and then make a brand new video for the refrigerator. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Cause like, if I do one, it's probably gonna be like a short one. But like, I wanna do a what's it called? I wanna show you how it looks in the inside, the bottom, and everything. So I decided to upload this one. What I'm gonna do. So I decided to upload this one, and then make a separate one for the refrigerator. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, stay awesome. Please stand and peace out.